Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Fresh Brewed Lasers. This is just a short recap of my 6 months since I started my business in 2024. Pretty much beginning of June. End of May, I ordered my first laser, and since then, once I got it, it's been nothing but running projects, tests, creating new things, and overall just enjoying what I'm doing, and it's been an adventure. This is literally my video right now of like the background here is making and editing the video that you're about to watch. So thank you for clicking on the video. I hope you guys enjoy it and stick around for more content. Also, if you want more detailed information, there is a longer video. It's an hour long, be warned, but I kind of just spoke and talked about all the projects I did over the year. I expected it to be only 10 minutes, and lo and behold, it was an hour. So anyway, you can check out both videos. I think the link for the other one's going to be up here. And thank you for watching this video, and enjoy the content.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean